Hey guys, here's the next project we're getting ready to get started on. It's a old vinyl seawall that was not tied back properly. We're gonna go ahead and get that tore out, get a new wall put in, and I think we're going with 20-foot sheets on this because we're gonna dig it out, backfill the wall with it, and build a nice little boat lift on the front side. I believe we've also got a 10-foot by 60-foot boardwalk going along the face of this wall too. Started with a demo over here this morning, taking the old stair system out, actually new stair system out, so we can join this old wall. You see the old wall is failing. We're actually going to be elevating this wall so that you can have a flat backyard here. So this is going to be a pretty tall wall. So we got the whalers off of it, the top cap off, getting ready to start pulling sheets out. Got material sitting up here in the yard on the trailer. We get skid steer over here, start getting it moved backwards. Put it back together, Hunter, okay? Need some rain. As soon as we do something like that, it's gonna rain. Hey, that stuff there's gotta be out of here because it'll get water everywhere. What's that? So I get the hay bales. Okay. Make sure they don't end up in water. Watch your snakes, man. Clear down. Okay. If that hits the water, it's gonna be all over the water. Where's our short chain? I don't know why Hector couldn't have pulled that out of there.
I don't either.
Hector, why can't you pull this out?
Hector, I thought you were strong.
He sure tried. Yeah, we can. You don't have enough room. That'll be fun, yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah. good progress on this job so far. Got all the vinyl across the front installed. We went ahead and installed a lower section of tieback systems, about 6 foot down from the top of the wall. 5/8 rods going back to 7 foot pilings with double drag plates on them. You see them here, they're about 7 foot below the top of the wall right now. And started on the return wall over here also. And cut! We got to the other side of the property line, and we come across the return wall that's been installed here. The return wall is about 1.5 feet onto the property that we're building a seawall for. You see the property cap right there. So we're going to remove this wall. We're going to get our wall right over to the property line. Of course, it's going to be 4 foot higher than this wall, and extend it on back. So we got to remove this wall first, trying not to do too much damage to the customer's adjacent yard, and we're going to run all the way back into that concrete wall over there and tie it into that. All right, we're about ready to get started running sheets on this return wall right here. We want to have a tight connection with the neighbor also, because we don't want to create a hole in between the two walls. So we've already pulled his sheet out of the wall here, and you see he's got an interlock there at the corner, and we've got a corner here. We're going to try to get both these corners lined up, and hopefully we can get that connected on right there, and then start with our sheet going this way. That would be a really good tight joint. There'll be a little bit of bowing of the vinyl to get it to work. Get that right, Smiles?
Yep.
All right, got this little wedge cut right there. The interlocks, we try to get them forced together now. Connection between both walls. Oh, you just screwed on? You just tied it under?
Yeah,
Oh, good.
I got it to where it's pretty tight.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah, I couldn't see it.
Alright.
Ready? Bring the strap down a little bit. It's getting where I can almost reach the top of it. good production on this wall. We got the whole front wall in, one of the returns in. Got about 14 loads of fill installed already. So we're working on the other return wall on the opposite side right now. Once we get that done, we'll get it filled in. Then we're gonna get started on the front. We got a boardwalk or dock going out here with a boat lift also. Here we go, got this thing backfilled. Quite a few loads of dirt. 11-foot exposed, wall still looks perfectly straight. Got our barge cleaned off, washed up for Monday. We'll be getting started on the boardwalk in front of the wall Monday. It's 10 by 60 foot with a boat lift on the outside. Guys, we got the wall done now. We'll get started on the boardwalk out front. Got the pole set. Got a couple poles set for boat lift going in there also. Getting all the framing done right now. Hey guys, we're getting close to getting this completed, doing all the cleanup on the job right now. You see we got the boardwalk in. It's a 10 by 60 foot boardwalk along the seawall. Got a 7,500 pound lift in there. We went ahead and put a deck in there. He's just going to use it for kayaks and paddle boards. Check it out, looks pretty cool. Hey, we got this one wrapped up now. As you can see, we got it just about topped off with dirt. The builder's gonna come in here and do a little site prep, a little digging, then he's gonna get the rest of the dirt installed on top of the wall. We got the top cap installed, got the wall in, turned out looking real good. If y'all haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I appreciate it if you would, and give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you got any comments, feel free to leave me a comment there. I'll try to get back to you just as soon as I can. Thank you.